Packaging is the name of the game when it comes to online marketing. With list building, there are two core elements which will determine your failure or success: the giveaway and the squeeze page. Firstly, we'll help you pick a great giveaway product, and then we'll move on to getting your squeeze page up and running. You'll need to find a suitable giveaway which your target market will appreciate. This giveaway is the content that you offer your prospects for free on your squeeze page in exchange for their name and email address. For now, you need to determine which types of content work best for your targeted audience. Ebooks, audiobooks, MP3 downloads, blueprints, PowerPoint slides, video tutorials, and free reports are some of the more popular giveaway items. Ask yourself, what sort of media would appeal more to my visitors? Are they busy, on-the-go businessmen who would prefer an audio file which they can listen to while commuting? Would they benefit more from a PowerPoint presentation or a video tutorial? Once you've decided on the medium, choose a specific topic in your niche to focus on. You need to narrow it down because you want to offer your prospects something which is focused, brief, and doesn't take 4 hours to read. So if, let's say, you're doing an ebook on gardening, try narrowing it down to gardening in the fall or starting your first indoor garden instead. To select a great topic, you'll need to conduct sufficient research. Try going through recent emails that you've received from your leads. Perhaps there are common questions which you are asked, which you can provide a solution to. You could also set up a short survey or poll on your website to find out which topics your followers would like you to cover next. Think about content that is along the lines of the best practices or worst practices. You'll be surprised how marketable and profitable content on the do's and don'ts can be. Tips and guidelines for beginners and intermediates is also a topic which has proven to be a hot sell, regardless of the niche or industry. Content which is timely or immediately relevant also has the potential to sell very well. Content regarding Christmas, for example, rarely fails to sell, as it's something that many people will search for, especially toward late November and early December. There's an immediate demand for it, which rarely goes unanswered. Here are some tips for you to keep in mind when creating giveaway content. For audiobooks or MP3 files, remember to script down what you want to say before you start recording. This will allow you to focus on speaking clearly without having to worry about coming up with things to say on the spot. Also, try to deliver your speech in an even, consistent tone and volume. With ebooks, blueprints, and free reports, be sure to share information which you have extensive knowledge on or have conducted research about. Be sure to give them something which is rich in details and isn't just skin deep. For documents which are primarily text-heavy, deliver the finished product in PDF format. It's easier to work with and accessible across more platforms than a Microsoft Word document. For PowerPoint slides, keep them light and easy to read, and avoid using animations, and make sure your text never takes up more than 80% of any one slide. If you're creating video tutorials, be sure to have enough lighting. This is especially if you're filming a live-action video tutorial. Also, when it comes to video, do ensure that you have a good microphone. Sound quality is something that should never be overlooked, regardless of how visually pleasing your video will be. Creating your own content is a daunting, time-consuming task. Another alternative giveaway item could also be in the form of PLR content. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. PLR contents are contents which, once purchased, you are legally allowed to manipulate and publish as your own. That is to say that when you purchase PLR content, you then own the rights to the work. PLR products are a great option for giveaways, as they don't cost very much to purchase. Be mindful to ensure that the PLR product you purchase does come with the rights to offer the item as a free giveaway. Most PLR websites will usually provide a list of rights which come along with the purchase of one of their PLR products. There are loads of online stores from which you can purchase PLR products. We've listed some online PLR stores in the slides, which you can check out for starters. Now we are going to talk about the second core element to building your list, the squeeze page. A squeeze page is a landing page designed to capture opt-in email addresses from potential subscribers, with minimal to no other clickable links except for the opt-in button. A squeeze page is a kind of ultimatum. The goal is to convince, cajole, or squeeze a visitor into providing their email address in exchange for a free product or giveaway. While you can set up a standalone squeeze page, you can also consider splash pages. Splash pages are custom pages which you redirect your users to when they initially visit your homepage. If you use a splash page, do include a clearly visible button for your visitors to opt out and return immediately to your homepage. It's much better for them to head back to your website than to just close the tab on you and lose interest in your business completely. With splash pages, do ensure that the design, copy, and feel corresponds with your regular homepage. A stark difference here could make your users question if they've been directed to a spam page. To further provide a pleasant online experience, consider using an internet cookie so that visitors aren't redirected to your splash page again when they visit your homepage a second time. Let's now discuss the must-have components of a successful squeeze page. Firstly, include an image of the free item which you are offering your visitors. Ensure that the item you use is one which looks professional. Pay a graphic designer if you must. This image is vital to visitors taking up your offer. Next, create bullet point copy, which highlights the features and benefits of your giveaway content. People want to know why they should get this item, so find ways to emphasize how easy your information is to absorb and use. If you have any testimonials, you may also include some short snippets on your squeeze page. Do limit it to just one or two, though, as more than that might create too much clutter. Remember to also include a link to your privacy and data policies. This is to put to rest any privacy concerns your visitors may have. They need to trust that your business will not use their email for any scams or illegal activities. Lastly, but definitely not least, provide name and email address fields for your visitors to input their details, along with a button for them to submit their information. It's important to note that you should only ask for their name and email. Asking for more information will cause your visitors to be suspicious and potentially opt out. Creating a squeeze page might sound like a lot of work, especially for anyone who hasn't given it a try before. Thankfully, there are many websites and online tools which have simplified the task of creating your own custom squeeze page. With easy-to-follow tutorials and a user-friendly interface, you can have your squeeze page up and running in no time. While building your squeeze page, you might also want to consider setting up an autoresponder to deliver your free giveaway immediately. This will save you the hassle of having to manually attach files and input email addresses. The way it works is the minute a prospect submits their email address to you via your squeeze page, the autoresponder will send them an email from your own email account with the attached giveaway content. Some page-building websites come with their own autoresponder. If not, there are other websites which can help set up an autoresponder for you.